Okay, so in your must tools, manipulation and then must tools, uh, we want to first select the screen with the lasso tool, and then click on TV screen, then go to your image that you want, drag it into Photoshop, and click. You can change the size at this point. Actually, let's just do this. And click enter. Then just drag this layer below the grain layer, and then it should appear in the screen. If it didn't appear in the screen, if it appeared like that, then just hold Alt and then just move until you see your mouse pointer changes to an arrow and a square like this here. You should be like in between the two layers to get this arrow, and then click. Or you can just right click on the layer and create clipping masks, and then yeah, then you can just choose your move tool and then hold control or command and shift and then drag on the corners to distort the image, and then done.